Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cybersecurity for All. I'm Mahmoud Morsi, malware analyst. So today I'm gonna give you a daily malicious email. So first email which will be from this IP address 103.156.90.104 and it mail from is just like normal hotmail. Okay, so subject will be outstanding payments and attachment will be outstanding payment PDF to DZ in this MD5 and location of attacker will be from Vietnam. If you know, the website is like an Hotmail, okay, Hotmail. So just like someone created normal Hotmail and try to send tell you this is a payment. Okay, so let's go to another one. Sending IP 165.22.111.172 mail from DHL Express and the email will be info at 323 based on this domain. Subject will be DHL shipment arrival notification. Okay, random number at the end. Attachment will be shipping document PDF to keep. Okay, the MD5 will be like that. Location of attacker from Singapore. If you try to access the domain of malicious domain of attacker, you will see that website currently is down. Okay, so let's go to another one. Sending IP 165.22.182.84 mail from Arnett Noni. Okay, I wish I said it right. Subject will be clean product quality improvement project. Attachment will be security declaration for Bank Shark Euro project. Okay, so the MD5 will be like that. Location of attacker will be from United States. Website is like that. Try to access the website of attacker. So we don't know. Maybe this website is real. I don't know. But maybe some cases the attacker try to hack the website or try to control one of email address of them. So try to make it phishing, or maybe the whole website is a phishing. So let's go to another one. Sending IP 185.74.4.8 mail from Mark based on this email address. Subject will be RFQ requesting verification. Attachment will be RFQ PDF.gz. The MD5 will be like that. Location of attacker will be Uzbekistan. If you try to access the website, you will see something like Anaba International Commercial Enterprises. Okay, I don't know, maybe is this commercial or no, I don't know, but this website, this email address is like that. Send malicious email today. Okay, let's go to another one. Sending IP address 195 and 194.31.96.4745 mail from sales based on this email address. Subject will be bank and slip and attachment will be B33021.lch and the MD5 of attachment will be like that. Location of attacker will be from United States. Try to access the website will figure out this website is like that. It's just like down website, maybe it's down right now, but maybe it will up later, I don't know. But please make sure that none of your customer, or if you are maybe you get this email based on your maybe in your email address of the company or your personal Gmail. Okay, because let me clarify something. Attacker try to target some employer in each company, try to get off this employer, and the best if you try to attack this employer and got off of this machine, you will try to make like previous escalation and try to achieve more persistence in the whole company. So maybe you can get one of this email. So be careful. So let's go to another one. The nick IP 103.125.191.170 mail from account based on this email address. Subject will be payment bank instructions. Attachment will be transfer from. This is the MD5 and location of attacker will be from Vietnam. Okay, if you try to access website, you see it currently is down. So maybe attacker discover he already catches him, or some of vendor catch him. So he just make his website down. Let's go to another one. Sending up be 50.28.40.153 mail from will be like that. Subject will be request verification and supply of material. Attachment will be stock material. This is the MD5. Location of attacker will be from United States. If you access the domain of the attacker, you'll get this website. I don't know if it's real or not, but you can search if you are a SOC analyst or try to If you are monitoring network the requests that the domains that your customer already visited, maybe you can find this today. So please make sure if if you find the whole scenario like this mail from this IP address and attachment to identify of this, so that means the customer already hit it with this malware. Sending IP 91.212.89.55 mail from Namagan. Okay, I think okay, at akmt.uz. So subject will be new order immigrant and attachment will be new order, no number. I think it's random number. Dot at the end is the MD5 and location of attacker will be from Uzbekistan. This is the website. Okay, so please make sure that none of your customer already visited this website today. Let's go to another one. Sending IP 124.29.202.102 mail from finance manager. Based on this email address, subject will be performa invoice and attachment will be same like subject. This is MD5 and location of attacker will be from Pakistan. If you try to access the website CA Assets Info, you will see this website is down right now. Okay, so the last one is it will be sending IP 84 dot 38.130.168. So mail from will be sales based on this domain. Subject will be request for additional quotation and attachment will be new quotation PDF Z, the MD5 and location of attacker will be from Latvia. If you try to access the website, you will see something like that. So please make sure that none of your customer already edited with these malicious emails, because if if the customer or one of employer in company already hit in any attachment, he will get infected with a malware. Okay, if you wanna learn how to detect malicious email without tools or anything, just to go through from step by step, okay, and give you a lot of example and assignments. So I already have my own course in Udemy. You can visit it and try to figure out it. So I also have my own blog. I'm publishing malware, trying to analyze them. Okay, so publish report to them. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.